Got a question though. So riding with a bad wheel hub? What's the worst that can happen? Will the wheel come off eventually?
It will fall off.
I figured that. I never rode it that bad, but I remember having them grinding to where it felt like it was gonna come off, and that's getting worse for sure though.
That thing moves a lot.
That thing, man, that's crazy, man. I took my kids to school and everything in there.
I mean, that's...
Wow. I told her too about it. She said, "Don't drive it no more till he fix it." Back on the road. What's poppin'? It's KG Go Hard, and I'm back with another video. You already know what y'all about to get, man. Tune in with your boy. It's about to go crazy. We going up every day, and if you ain't like to subscribe, do so now, because it's about to jump. All right, y'all. We fresh off the road, man. Old white cupcake, man. You know what I'm saying? She been running kind of crazy, man. Something going on. I'm hoping it's not directly related to us getting this tire patched up the other day. So, yeah, man, we're going to make sure that everything is everything. My boy Eric, he about to come check the tire out, man. So I'm gonna pull up to him. He just opened the shop up. Actually, that should be his first appointment, I think. So head up there and see what he say about it. I don't know if y'all can hear the noise, but listen. You hear it? But let's see, Eric is at the shop. He's got a tow truck up there actually, so looks like somebody got some cars up there already. Pull it over here until he gets done. Yeah, man, that's it. So we gonna find out exactly what's what. I only been the driver of the truck, so I really can't say that it's not on this side of the car or maybe even this wheel. But the fact that y'all know I actually just got this tire patched up or sealed the other day. I had caught like a little flat right there. And I was thinking it was related to that. I don't know. But from experience though, I remember having a CV axle on my BMW X3. If y'all been watching my channel for a while, y'all know I had a blue X3 BMW truck on 24s. And I remember I had a CV axle that had disconnected and it was making a similar noise. So from experience, I think it might actually be that. But we're gonna get the wheel off and get it checked out and see what Eric say. But what I'll do though, I'll turn this wheel and see. I mean, it is about time to replace the tires. See if we see anything wet or disconnected in there. What do you guys think, man? Get in the comment section, let me know what you guys think. To me, it looks a little clean in there. I don't see anything broken. But that little black boot right there, oh, I might not be using the right term, but right there is is, I believe, the CVX. So I remember in my truck, my BMW X3, this piece right here that was broke on the inside. Like a lot of oil and pieces was in there. I'm thinking that's it. I'm gonna turn the wheel the other way and see. See what it look like over here. Same, it looks clean, dry. I don't know, but it sounds bad, man. Within seconds of riding, you can see exactly what's going on. So, little tires weighing in on the inside. Put some tires on there soon. I'm gonna have to figure it out. I also know that I had another issue before, a wheel bearing. I believe a wheel bearing was another wheel issue that had made like a rustling noise, and it sounds almost similar to what I hear going on right here, but it not exact. So I believe it's one of those two things. I'm not exactly sure what it is, but I believe one of the two. We're gonna find out today though, man. You feel me? We're up here at 1807 Rancier. My boy Eric Fedesma Automotive. Y'all see it right there. Y'all make sure that y'all come tap in, man. We up bright and early and getting it done though, man. But he got a job he doing right in front of me. So hopefully get a chance to check it out. At least get it diagnosed and see if we can move forward. See what else he got going on. This is two-door project right here, man. Had some little steering issues he was working on. Got a car thing getting dropped off here too.
I don't want to back.
Okay. Yeah, that's good too, because I actually ain't never heard that. I can't hear it from over there, but. Okay.
He's a good dude. He's a real good dude.
Check it out. You hear more in a minute.
It's on your side. Ooh, is that shaking?
Yeah. You can feel it in the wheel bad though.
I wonder if that is a wheel bearing.
Give me a combination of maybe two.
It's either wheel bearing or a CV axle.
That's what I was thinking, one of the two, if not both, down there.
It sounds like a CV axle brakes. It's just a brake. It's not. It's one or the other. Let's look up both and see how much they are. That's moving a lot. Yeah, let's head back, or whichever. Jesus.
Yeah.
Just like that the whole time?
No, it did on the way back. We had like an hour left.
That's scary.
Yeah, and I was like, man, I don't even want to see it if it's bad, because it's gonna make me not want to drive it. Let's let me get home.
Take that dually. It's just like mine.
Yeah, it's flat, so they're probably neglecting it. And then, you know, my truck still don't start. So
Yeah, what the fuck?
I've been having to jump it off this, because in my battery jumper, I think it blew that. It was
Jumping it so many times?
Yeah,
You may have
so-
just killed the battery in there.
But I still sometimes can jump it with the car.
Huh.
But with
You're
this
full.
being up there, it's
Yeah.
gonna be, yeah.
Up right here. Or actually pull up in the bay a little bit. Just nudge it in there. good. Straight on. Keep going.
Oh.
Yeah, let's pull in there. Keep going, keep going, keep going. Stop. Come here.
Leave it on or off?
I mean, you gotta get home, right?
I was gonna leave it here if I don't know. I can take it back if you want me to. I mean, yeah, I'll bring it back when you're ready for it.
What happened to that rotor?
It could be grinding and shit. I never looked at it, but this motherfucker. It probably need brakes. I know we did the back brakes, the front brakes we never did, but
brand new front brakes on it.
that rotor probably was bad from the jump. Then I never did them, but I did do the back brakes. I told her it felt like the front brakes needed to be done, but
turn the wheel that way.
all right. Put your hand real quick. That's everything.
Kind of bump it up against the lock. You know what I'm saying?
I'm bumping it. Something like this, right?
It's not moving now.
Oh, I'm bumping it.
There you go. Yep. Wheel bearing. That.
But not the CV though, or you can't tell from without taking the wheel off.
CD. Let's see how they are. Let's see.
Well, like we confirmed that it was the other side. Hopefully it don't cost too much. Just in case it do though. Put it up to my boy. Got a question though. So riding with a bad wheel hub, what's the worst that can happen? Will the wheel come off eventually?
The wheel fall off.
I figured that. I never rode it that bad, but I remember having them grinding to where it felt like it was gonna come off. And that's getting worse for sure though.
That thing moves a lot.
Mm-hmm. Let's go and pull it around the back. All right. Well, it's on the wrong side, so I'm gonna turn it back around the other way. Maybe he's just testing me, make sure you know I can drive up in there. Customer's joint, we got that on the channel too, y'all. He brought it back to get some more work done. You know, all the customers, man, they like coming back messing with Eric, man. It's a good sign. 1807, Ranch Sear. I told my wife, I said, I just taking hell. He said, yeah. She said, oh, yes. It's crazy, man. I took my kids to school and everything in there.
I mean, that's...
Wow. I told her too about it. She said, don't drive him no more till he fix it. Back on the road. Thing a lot heavier than it looked.
Yeah. I told her before. It's funny how that works.
You already know. Yep. It look a whole lot more prettier, man. For sure. Hopefully that wheel roll straight now. I'm probably gonna have to pull up to a junkyard and just show them the wheel and see if they got what I need. Alright, so I told y'all my boy got us back. We rolling. We don't hear no noises.